Just laying around today. Got a lot of Christmas stuff done today. I'm never going to forget this Christmas because, well, the year that Garrison was born was labeled forever as the Quick Trip Christmas. Well, this year, Christmas is going to be remembered as the NyQuil Christmas, or the cheeseburger that almost ruined Christmas. Been thinking a lot about this little fella who's about to take a nap with me. Do I want to be Santa Claus? Or do I want to be the Grinch next year? I think I could do both quite well.